Keep it on the paper, honey. More paint.
I got it.
Uh-oh. Ouch. What are you doing, Claire? You're making a big mess. I thought you didn't like to make messes. Oh my God. You're gonna be fun to clean up, that's for sure. I knew you were gonna say it. Oh, Claire Marie. What are you doing? Are you painting your belly?
Right.
And your arm.
But
And your belly.
there's a big pig.
Yeah, that's where you should paint, on the paper.
But
No, not in the tray.
a bite.
Yeah, belly. That's your belly. Oh, now you painted your nose. No, no. No, stop. Oh God, I'm in trouble. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't know about that.